वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धं
सारवद्विश्वतो
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च
सूत्रं
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः।
विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तादुरुक्तानां
उक्तानुक्तादुरुक्तानां
चिन्ता
चिन्ता
यत्र
यत्त
प्रवर्तते
प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं
तं
ग्रन्थं
ग्रन्थं
वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि
शिवसूत्राणि आदेश आगमास्तथा
आदेशागमस्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो
गणपाठः
गणपाठः उपदेशः
उपदेशः
प्रकीर्तितः।
प्रकीर्तितः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ
तत्तृतीयोऽध्यायः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः
प्रथमः
पादः।
पादः।
प्रत्ययः
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 परश्च
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 आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदात्तौ सुप्पितौ
गुप्तज्ञिद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तज्ञिद्भ्यः
गुप्तजुगिभ्यः
सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान्
मान्
भददांशान्भ्यो
भददांशान्भ्यो
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातोः कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः
धातोः
कर्मणः
कर्मणः
समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
समानकर्तिकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
सुप
सुप
आत्मनः च
आत्मनः च
काम्यच्च
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 उपमानादाचारे
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 कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कृतुक्यं सलोपश्च
वार्तिकमौत अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विं वा वक्तव्यः
भृशादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
भृशादिभ्यो भुक्तिर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिडाज्भ्यक्यश
लोहितादिडाच्भ्यः
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्ततपोभ्यां वार्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
भाष्पोष्मद्भ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायां
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहक्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रणह्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरानिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिं
मुण्डमिश्र व्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो णिच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनवतवस्त्रकलकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो णिच
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया समभिघारेयम्
धातोरेकाचो हलादिः क्रियासंविहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्गायाम्
लुपसदचरजपदभयदभ्यो भावगायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोभत्वशवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
सत्यापपाशरूपेण त्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो युक्
गुपूधूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
गुपोधूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
ऋतेरीयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिं
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
शतासीर्लृटोः
शतासीर्लृटोः
सिब्बगुलं लेटी
सिब्बहुलं लेटी
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययदामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादिश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविद जागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभ्रुहुवांश्लवच्च
भीह्रीभृगुपांश्लवश्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वान्त्वित्यन्तरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद् विदामकृन्निति छन्दसि
अव्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चकयां रमयामकः पावयान् क्रियाद्विदाम् अकृणीति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेषि
चलेघेषु च शलैकुपदादनिटक्सः धनिटः
शल
सः
शलैकुपदा अनिलिसः
श्लेष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिशालिङ्गने
न दृशः
न दृशः
नियश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरी चङ्
निःश्रीदृस्तृभ्यः कर्तरिच्छं
कर्तरी च
विभाषाधेष्व्योः
भाषादेक्ष्योः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेश्छन्दसि
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नो
नो
नयति
नयति
त्वानयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नो
नो
नयति
नयति त्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
त्वानयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यति भक्तिक्यादिभ्योङ्
अस्यति
भक्तिख्यादिभ्यो
भक्तिख्यादिभ्यो
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेशस्तरस्याम्
पुषादिदितादृतः परस्मै पदेषु
पुषादिद्युतः परस्मै पदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थदिभ्यश्च
इरितो वा
इरितो वा
जृस्तम्भु मृचु मृचु ऋचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
जरिस्तम्भो मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु शुभ्यश्च
कृस्तम्भुस्मृचुमुचु
कृमृद्रुगिभ्यश्छन्दसि
क्रीमेद्रिरुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
रोहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते पदः
चन्ते पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपुरीत्वायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अचःकर्मकर्तरि
कर्मकर्तकर्तरि
दुहश्च
दुहश्च
न रुदः
न रुदः
तपोनुतापे च
तपोनुतापे च
चिण्बाबकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
मनोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप्
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
वाभ्राशब्लाश भ्रमुक्रमु क्लमो त्रसि त्रुटिलशः
वाभ्राशाभ्राश प्रमुक्रमु क्रमुत्रसि त्रुटिलशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
शुभश्रुच
शुभश्रिच
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
दुदादिभ्यश्चः
रुदादिभ्यष्टम्
रुदादिभ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृङ्भ्य उः
तनादिलिङ्ग्य उः
धिन्विकृण्व्योरच
धिन्विकृण्व्योरच
तरयादिभ्यष्टा
यादिभ्यश्ना
स्तन्भुस्तुन्भुस्कन्भुस्कुन्भुस् कुङ्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भुश्च
हलश्नश्चानज्जौ
हलश्चनश्चानज्झौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शायजपि
यत्तयो बगुलम्
यत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्ग्या शिष्यम्
शिष्यम्
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
न दुःखस्नो न मां यक्षिणौ
न दुःस्नुनमां यक्षिणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः परांश्यन् परस्मै पदे पदं च
पुषेरञ्जोः
ऋषिरञ्जोः
प्राचांश्यं परस्मै
प्राचांशं
पदं च
परस्मै पदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
तत्रोपपदं
तत्रोपपदं
सप्तमीस्थं
सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिङ्
विदतिं
कृदतिं
वासरूपो त्रियाम्
वासरूपो
वासरूपो
स्त्रियाम्
स्त्रियाम्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप
अधिप्रभृत्येभ्यः शपः
प्रवृत्त्यः
अधिप्रवृत्तिभ्यः शपः
शपः
अदर्शनं लोपः
दर्शनं
अदर्शनं
लोपः
लोपः
प्रत्ययस्य लुक्ष्लु लुपः
प्रत्ययस्य
प्रत्ययस्य
लुक्ष्लो लोपः
लुप्लुलोपः
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
प्रत्ययलोपे
प्रत्ययलोपे
प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
न लुमताङ्गस्य
अनुमताङ्गस्य
अनुमताङ्गस्य
जुगोत्यादिभ्यः श्लुः
जुहोत्याद्यश्लुः
जुहोदिभ्यादिभ्यश्लुः
श्लौ
श्लौ
दिवादिभ्यः शन्
वाद्यश्य
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
वा भ्राशब्लाश भ्रमुक्रमो क्लमूत्रसि त्रुटि लशः
वा
भ्रश
भ्राश
ब्लाश
भ्रश
भ्रमु
भ्रमु
ग्रमु
क्लमु
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 त्रसि
त्रटि
त्रुटि
त्रिणि
लषः
लशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गा
संयसश्च
यशश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वाद्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्रु च
प्रवश्रु च
श्रवश्च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तन्नूकरणे तक्षः
क्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
उदादिभ्यश्यः
तुदादिभ्यश्चः
उदाद्यश्यः
रुधादिभ्यश्नम्
रुदाद्यश्नम्
रुदादिभ्यस्नम्
तादिकृम्भ्यः उः
अनादिकृम्यः
तादिभ्यादिभ्य उः
तयादिभ्यश्ना
क्रियाद्यश्ना
यादिभ्यस्ना
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकसेनालोमत्वशवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणतूलश्लोकसेनलोम
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो
त्वचवर्णवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति
हेतुमति
च
च
चिताशीलृलुटोः
शताशीलृलुटोः
शताशीलृटोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके
सार्वधातुकेयक
यक
यस्मात् प्रत्ययविधिः तदादिप्रत्यये अङ्गम्
यस्मात्
यस्मात्
प्रत्ययविधिः
प्रत्ययविधि
तदादिप्रत्यये
तदादिप्रत्यये
अङ्गम्
अङ्गम्
अङ्गस्य
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 इको गुणवृद्धि
इको
गुणवृद्धि
गुणवृद्धिः
इति च
निति च
नीति च
धीधि वेबीटाम्
दिधि वे वीटा
सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुकयोः
सार्वधातुक
सार्वधातुकार्धधातुकयोः
आर्धधातुकयोः
जाग्रो विचिन्नल् ङित्सु
जाग्रो
जाग्रो
विचिन्नसु
विचिन्नेलसु
पुगन्तलघुपदस्य च
पुगन्तलघूपदस्य च
पुगान्तलघूपदस्य च
वृद्धिः
वृचे वृद्धिः
विजयवृद्धिः
अचो ङिति
अचोऽङ्निति
अचोण्निति
अचोङिति
अचोणिति
अचोण्निति
अत उपधायाः
त
अथ
उपधायाः
उपदहायः
तद्धितेषु अचाम् आधेये
आदितेषु आचाम् आदेः
इति च
इति
इति
च
च
all this the sutra format we will see starting from 223 sarvadhatuke yak we have seen in our format now from this format I've done. I'll send this file to you.
Oh, nice.
Yasmat pratyay vidhi tadadi pratyay angam we have seen already. Okay, just in the format yasmat what vibhakti panchami what shabda yat shabda
Yes.
pratyay vidhi like adi shabda one tadadi also napumsakalinga you have to take adi it's a compound Pratyaye Saptami Ekavachanam. Pratyaya Shabda. Angam, that is a Sanya. This is a Sanya Sutram. What is Sanya is defined. It is under the section Akadarat Eka Sanya. This is 141 Adhikara Sutra. In this section, only one Sanya can be ordained for a thing. Akadarat Eka Sanya. Already we have seen in the example of Sanyoge Guru, Lagu, Dasvam Lagu, Sanyoge Guru. We have seen that. So, Yasmad Pratyaya Vidhi Tadadi Pratyayangam. So, Yasmad referring to that which precedes the Pratyaya. Pratyaya ordained for which? Pratyaya ordained for what? Pratipadigam or a Dhatu to start with. After that, to the Dhatu, Ganavikana Pratyaya could if it is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, can come Pratyaya Vidhi by Sarvadhatuke, Shapatudadi, Shaha, all those things. This is a Sanya Sutram. Yasmat Pratyaha Vidiyate. Pratyaya is ordained. After which Pratyaha Parascha, that is also Adhigara. Adhigara not here. 3-1. This is 1-4-13 Sutra. Pratyaha Parascha Adhigara Sutram 3-1-3-2. Pratyaya comes always after the Pratyaha Paraha, always come after. So here it is not, it covers both Dhatu and Pratipadika. Anga is a generic term, that simple definition for our understanding. That which precedes a Pratyaya is called Anga. It could be a Dhatu or it could be a Pratipadikam. If it is a Dhatu, then depending on Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, then Gana Vikrana will come, then that becomes the Anga for the thing Pratyaya. And Dhatu becomes the Anga for the Gana Vikrana Pratyaya. All those things we have seen. So therefore, Pratyaha Yasmad Vidiyate, that could be a Dhatu or Pratipadika. Dhatoho va Pratipadikatva. Tadadi, from the first letter of that, Shabda Rupam, up to the first letter of the Pratyaya, excluding the first letter. Pratyaye Saptami Vibhakti. Pratyaya follows Anga Sanyam Syat, Anga Sanyam Bhavati. Okay, Anga Sanyam Bhavati. The complete definition of what Pratyaya is. Yaha Pratyaha Yasmat Kriyate Vidiyate Tadadi Shabda Swarupam Tasmin Pratyaye Pare. When the Pratyaya follows Shabda Swarupa, the word, Shabda Swarupam, Shabda, the word, will enjoy the Sanya Anga. After ordaining a Pratyaya to a Pratipadikam or a Dhatu, that which begins therewith in the form in which it appears. When the Pratyaya, when the affix follows it, it is called an Anga. Example, Kru plus Trich. What is the Anga? Kru is the Anga. So Anga, that Pratyaya is Adhatuka Pratyaya. Could it be any Pratyaya? Here it is example for the Pratyaya following a Dhatu, Adhatuka Pratyaya. When Adhatuka Pratyaya follows, no Gana Vikrana will come. Only when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya pare, that to Kartari. Example, Pat plus Step. Pat plus Step, then Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya pare, Gana Vikrana comes. Shap is a Pratyaya. So with regard to the Pratyaya, Pratyaye pare, then what is Anga? Starting from the first letter of the Shabda, that is Pakara, up to the last letter of the Shabda. Up to that letter which before the first letter of the Pratyaya, that is Takara. So Pat is the Anga for Shab. Similarly, Pat plus A, after joining this, adding or Anga Karya, if it's possible, doing it. After having done that, first letter of that word up to the first letter of the Pratyaya, excluding the first letter, that is before. The entire Shabda Swarupam enjoys Sanya, Pat Anga.
Anga.
Right.
Yes.
Similarly, Angasya, this we have seen, Angasya Adhigara is 641, starting from here up to which chapter, which section it extends?
End of 7th.
7th, yes, at the end of 7-4. Angasya, so 5 sections. This Angasya Adhigara spreads over 5 sections. So Angasya, what Vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti Bhakti.
Shashti.
So therefore, the thing with Anga will be a Stani. Okay. So the Adesha will come in the place of Anga, and if it is depending on what the Adesha is, either Anta or the entire Anga, all those are possible. It is, and then Pratyaya will come after which. That's why Pratyaha Parascha Dhatoho. This will not come, sorry, this is not Adhigara. This is in third chapter. How this will come? This is not copy paste problem. Anyway, this sutra is Adhigara Sutram, and we know Adhigara Sutra doesn't have any doesn't have any purpose for itself, but it is meaningful when it is brought on as Anuvritti. Adhigara also comes down to the next sutra, so it's understood in every sutra like Anuvritti comes down. Therefore,
Yes.
then it becomes meaningful. So Adhigara this is an Adhigara Sutra topic. Sutra. Saptama Adhyaya Parisamapte. Up to the end of the Samapti is end completion. Parisamapti, end of the Saptama Adhyaya. Yet Itaha Urum, Editaha Urum is starting from here, Urdhvam, starting from here. Yet Anukramishya, that which would be enumerated, described, they all Angasya iti evam Tat Veritavyam. It will be ordained for Anga. Ordained for Anga means it will operate upon Anga depending on what is ordained. Pratyaya is ordained means it will come after the Anga. So, or if Adesha is ordained, it will come in the place of Anga. Therefore, it will operate with reference to Anga. It will operate with reference to Anga on or with reference to, that would be better. Okay, this is Angasya. Next, Eko Guna Vriddhi. This is important paribhasha. First chapter, first section, third sutra. Vriddhiradij, Adingunaha, Eko Guna Vriddhi. So, Ikaha is Shashti Bhakti. That is the Stani. It stands for simple vowels except Akara. Gunavriddhi, like Ari. So, this Anuvritti is given not required because Gunaha Vriddhi is there anyway. Then Gunaha is then the Vriddhi also you have to bring as Anuvritti. This is a remote. Sampurna Sutram, Ikaha Gunavriddhi. It's a Paribhasha Sutra. So, this Paribhasha, see, the definition of Paribhasha is Aniyame Niyamaha. Aniyama Prasange Niyamaha is Paribhasha. Aniyame Niyamakarini Paribhasha. It's a definition that Paribhasha is there to be applied when it is not clear. When something is not clear, then the Paribhasha, respective Paribhasha, whatever it is, to be applied. For example, if Stani is not clear, then we have to apply Paribhasha like this example. This sutra, for example. If Stani is not clear, then we have other Paribhasha. Tasmin nirdishte purvasya, tasmaditi uttarasya, tasmadit uttarasya. All those are Paribhashas.
Yes.
Not only that, Adesha Paribhashas are also, we have seen Alontyasya. Remember, Anekalshit Sarvasya, Nicha, Adehe Parasya, all these are Paribhasha, Sutra Paribhasha. And there are Paribhashas outside the Sutram also. Like we saw, Nimittapaye, Nimitikapayaha. Ube Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. All those are Paribhasha. So Paribhasha iyam Stani Niyamartha. It is for ascertaining the Stani. Aniyama Prasange Niyamaha Vidiyate. When it is not clear, Niyamaha is made clear. That is what the definition of Paribhasha, in fact. Niyamaha, a certain regulation, Niyamaha is made when there is no clarity, when it is not clear. Here, what is not clear? Here it is says, when the Stani is not clear, when Guna and Vriddhi is ordained, then it has to be understood as Stani. This Paribhasha is for attaining the Stani. When the Stani is not clear, only this will apply. If it is clear, don't apply. Ekaha Purva Parayoho 6184. There it is very clear. 6184 up to 111, the sutra, the Adhikara Sutra. So there it is very clearly given, Ekaha Purva Paryoho, therefore we should not apply the Paribhasha, Tasmin Tinidishte Purvasya, Tasmadit Uttarasya and all should not be applied. 6184. I hope you remember that is in Sandhi, 6172 Samhitayam section, that Adhikara Sutra is there. Similarly, here it is, this Paribhasha Sutra is for ascertaining the Sthani when Guna and Vriddhi are used to ordain Guna Vriddhi Adesha. When the words Guna and Vriddhi are used to ordain Guna and Vriddhi Adesha respectively, then only this Paribhasha will apply. And will bring in this Thani, ik has to be understood. Ikaha Sthane eva Guna Adeshaha or Vriddhi Adeshaha, whatever it is, that will apply. Then Siddhanta Kaumadikara, Gunavriddhi Shabdabhyam Yatra Gunavriddhi Vidiyete, when using the word Guna and Vriddhi, where Gunavriddhi Adesha is ordained, Vidiyete, Dvivachanam. Vidiyate, Vidiyete, Vidiyante. Here it is Dvivachanam, therefore Vidiyete. Tatra Ekaha iti Shashtyantam. Padam Upadishtate. Tatra Ikaha, not Ekaha. Tatra,
Ika.
if you join, then becomes Tatrekaha. Tatra plus Ikaha. Tatra Ikaha. I will just write Ikaha. Ikaha is the Shashtyantam Padam. Upatishtate. It is Upatishtate means it is there. Upatishtati. Tishtate. Upapurvaka Dhatu Stadhatu. But the Upa Upasarga it becomes Atmanipadi. It's a rule. Upatishtate. That is the Sthani Ik will be present there. Shashtyantam. Yatra.
Yes, so in here it should be said the letter ik, not the word ik.
Ikaha Padam only, correct only. What's up? Why letter Ik? Ik is not a letter. Ik is a
in the-
word. Padam. Ikaha
Oh.
Sthane. Shashtyantam Padam. It's
In
correct
the
only. It's
in-
not
in
a
the-
letter.
in the in the English app also said there alone is this paribhasha will bring in the word. Okay.
Yeah, word only. Word Padam only. Where letter Ik?
Okay. Okay.
Yatra.
Okay.
Yatra yatra guna shabdena gunadesha va vriddhi shabdena vriddhi adesha nirdishyate tatra tatra guna vriddhi adesho ikaha sthane bhavataha. Very clear. Wherever by using the word Guna Adesha is ordained, using the word Vriddhi Adesha is ordained, there Guna Vriddhi Adesha is to be understood in the place of Ik letter, Ikahastane Bhavataha. In a sutram where Guna Vriddhi is Adesha, by the explicit use of the words, the word Guna and Vriddhi should be there, not otherwise. There the word Ikaha is seemed to be present by itself, Upatishtate eva. Guna and Vriddhi brought about by this usage of Paribhasha is called Ik Lakshana Guna Vriddhi. Okay. Wherever Guna and Vriddhi is ordained using the word Guna or Vriddhi, respectively, it is to be understood as ordained in the place of Ik only, in the absence of any other special rules. That's important. In the absence of any other. Like Ad Gunaha. There do we apply Ikaha? No. Because Ad Gunaha is 6187, where 6184 is Ekaha Purva Paryaha, which is very clearly given. Yes or no? Then how can you apply there? You cannot apply.
Yes.
Ad Gunaha, you cannot apply. Only when it is not clear, only you have to apply. You cannot apply for Ad Gunaha. Similarly, Vriddhi, Rechi, Vriddhi Sandhi, there also you cannot apply. Because 6184's Adhikara Sutram is there. It is up to 111. Ad Gunaha and Vriddhi Rechi are covered. I mean, they are included in this in the range of this Adhikara Sutra. Therefore, we cannot bring in Ik letter and all here. When it is not clear, only Paribhasha to be applied.
Understood.
And also suppose if it is in the absence of any other special rules, then also this will adopt. You have to see that. Then Niti Cha 115, this sutra. We already seen Gakara, Kakara, Nakara, three are put together. It should be written like this. Then after that, this is Iteretra Dvanda Samasa. And referring to the Pratyaya which has this, therefore it is Bhagavri compound. Anyway, we don't know what Samasa is, but anyway, I have written here. It is very difficult to read. Naha it yasya saha, that will be it. Tasmin, when it follows, Tasmin iti, Kandva, Garbha, Bhagavri Samasa. That is three letters are Gakara is ith letter, Kakara is ith letter, and Nakara. So Git Pratyaya or Git Pratyaya or Git Pratyaya follows, then Gunavriddhi will not happen.
Sharanji, this Garbha
Yes.
meaning? Dvanda Garbha?
Garbha means first you have to form a Dvanda Samasa, that is what Dvandva. After that, this is Dvandva. And then this will be again compounded with Itaha. Naha,
Oh,
Itaha means ith letter, Yasya Saha for which. So therefore, Bhaguvrigi Samasa is the outer Samasa, inner Samasa is Dvandva, the first called Garbha.
oh, understood.
Okay.
Understood.
First we join two words and then it is joined with the other words, then we say Garbha, inside, like the womb,
Yes,
like the child is
nice.
inside, similarly. And you
Okay.
may ask why the Niti is that? This is, we cannot, there is no any rule. Kakara, Gakara, Kakara, Nakara. So this is a Jal letter followed by Kar letter, therefore Chartam will apply. Okay. Then you have two Kakara. There also one Kakara is just removed because it's a repetition. Therefore, you will see only one Kakara, Nakara, and there's only you will see. So we are need to understand, but it is Git, Kit, and Git. So it's here. This stands for Gita also, Gakara also. There is no rule here. This is how Panini Maharshi presents a sutra. Then
Understood.
Anuvritti, Iko Guna Vritti, then Na coming as Anuvritti from Na Dhatu Lopa, Ada Dhatu Ke from that sutra, fourth sutra. Now, Niti, Ikaha, Guna Vritti, Na, when Niti, Saptami Vibhakti, Niti is referring to the Pratyaya. So Pratyaya follows the Anga. So Ikaha referring to the Stani. So Anga will ending with Anga which has got Ik letter. So Anga when followed Vingit Pratyaya. Then Gunavriddhi Adesha, if it is ordained, that will not happen. Na Bhavati. If the Pratyaya is It, then Gunavriddhi Adesha, Na Bhavati. It's Apavada Sutram. Apavada to Ika Gunavriddhi. So Niti Cha, it is a Nimitta Saptami. There are different types of Saptami. This is Nimitta Saptami. Parasaptami, you can say. That is Nit Nimitte. Ye Gunavriddhi Praputaha Te Navavataha. So when Nit Pratyaya follows, Gunavriddhi, which is ordained, will not happen for the Anga. Okay. It is Ye. Ye is Dvivachanam. In Sanskritam, Vyakaranam, we don't have any Linga and all. So you have to take Yet, Ye, Yani. Yet. Generally, if not mentioned, we will take it Napumsakalinga. Ye Prapnutaha. Te Nabhavataha. Tatu Te. Like that we have to take. There is no gender and all here. Okay. Generally, we take Napumsakalinga or whatever gender Panini Maharshi as he gives. We have to take it. Then Gunavriddhi is where that is 1, 2. It has to be neuter gender. Like what Shabda? Neuter gender. Jagat, Jagati, something like that we have to take.
Understood.
Okay.
Okay.
We cannot apply our Shabda here and then see what gender. That will not work. Grammar, it will not. Gunavriddhi is 1, 2, and A is also 1, 2. That's how we have to take it.
Okay.
Kashika Paribhasha. Kashika is this Vakyam. Then Siddhanta Kamadi. Git, Kit, Ngit, Nimitte. When it is a Nimitta causing, Nimitta in the Pratyaya, Nimitte Saptami. What then? What follows? Pratyaya follows. So Nimitte Pratyaye Git, Kit, Ngit, Nimitte Pratyaye. Pratyaya follows the Anga. So Iklakshana Gunavriddhi na staha na bhavati na bhavataha. एक लक्षणा गुणवृद्धिः गुणवृद्धि न भवतः.
It
Okay.
can this it can follows or also it can be preceding
No,
inside the
which is
pratyaya.
inside the pratyaya. How? Which is
Meaning
how what?
meaning these it letters can be in the beginning or in the end of the pratyaya.
That is
Yanta.
not said by this sutra. Irrelevant here.
Oh, okay.
Anga having ek letter will take guna vriddhi, which is adding. That will not happen when the pratyaya is git or git only.
Okay,
That
okay,
is
okay.
not relevant here. That is in some other sutra. Okay. That is in 7384 and 7386. Not here. Here only negation of guna vriddhi. Ik lakshana vriddhi, which is ordered by the sutra, is negated here. Ik lakshana vriddhi ordered by 113, which is negated by the sutra. When the pratyaya is git or git or git, guna vriddhi adesha is negated. Here the saptami is iti, is nimitta saptami, which means saptami vibhakti is used to convey the sense of nimitta. It is a special case of sati saptami, yasya chabhave bhava lakshanam. This thing and all we will see. This is called sati saptami. When the pratyaya follows, when the pratyaya is jit or ngit pratyaya follows, angakarya will not happen. So that is what sati. When and then something like that will be there. It's called
Okay,
sati
okay.
saptami. There are many types of saptami. निमित्त सप्तमी सति सप्तमी पर सप्तमी निर्धारण सप्तमी. Then we have आधार अधिकरण आधारः अधिकरणम् औपश्लेषिक अभिव्यापक वैषयिक. There itself we have आधार three. So many saptamis are the saptami vibhaktis. Depending on the context, we have to take what it is.
This yasya cha bhave one word na bhava lakshanam, right?
Yasya cha, what is the sutra? Okay, yes. This is which is in the 2-3. That is one. Yasya cha bhavena bhavalakshanam. Why one word? What is one word? Bhavena is one. This bhavalakshanam is one
Oh,
word. Bhavena other word.
bhavena.
This is
Yasya
called
cha
Sati
bhavena.
Saptami, 2-3-37.
Oh,
Examples we have seen. When Git Pratyaya, there's one Pratyaya, Gsnu, where Gakara is Ita letter, content is Snu. This is under section 3 to 139. 3 to 139, what Pratyaya is this? Tell me. Pratyaya is
Correct.
it's a Krit Pratyaya. Very good. Then what else?
Ardha.
ardhatuka krit pratyaya.
Apit.
Adhatuka Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya. What is a Krit? Krita thing, remember that after Dhato
Kritati.
Adhikara, it is given, right?
Yes.
That's what it is. And Sutra is an exam within bracket given here. Please note here, you may ask this question, why this is Gakara is there? Here we are seeing Kakara. It is Gakara only because of what? It is Gakara only. It is not a Kit. It is a Git Pratyaya. How do you know?
Oh, git pratyaya.
Karicha.
Karicha, yes. Karicha has
Karicha.
happened. Therefore, don't look for where is Gakara. No, it is Gakara only. Okay.
Yes.
So
It's Gakara only. Therefore, it is not. It is not because Karicha, it is not there. So G plus it's no. Now, what will happen when this Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka Pratyaya follows? Angasya Gunaha Bhavati. Even what Anga? Igantasya, when it is not clear. Angasya Gunaha Bhavati. I mean, Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka, Angasya Gunaha. Which will take
Yes.
Anga, which here Anga is, we don't have problem, Anga is only one letter. Suppose Anga is having many letters, then problem question will come. Which will take
Eco.
Guna.
Eco
Here
guna
Jakara
already.
plus E. Yeah, Jakara plus E is only one vowel, is there? No problem. Suppose if we have a word, you know, then which and vowels are the more than one, and more suppose both are equilateral, then which will take I mean, which will take then guna adesha, then guna or vriddhi, whatever it is, depending on the pratyaya. That is why that iklakshana vriddhi, he says angakarya. When guna and vriddhi, here guna happens, sarvadhataka adadhataka yoga, by that sutra. Guna will happen for the anga. So anga, when we say which letter of the anga, the question comes. That the paribhasha applied. Iklakshana vriddhi, guna vriddhi, iklakshana, that paribhasha. That will apply, iko guna vriddhi. That will apply. Applying that, igantasya angasya. What paribhasha? One more paribhasha we apply. Igantasya angasya antima varnasya antya alahastane gunadeshaha. What is the other paribhasha? Two paribhashas are there. We have seen. Yena vididadantasya, one paribhasha.
Yes.
Another one is alontyasya paribhasha. Applying that, igantasya angasya antya alaha stane. Antya alaha, which happens to be ik letter. Ikaha stane. Right? Gunadeshaha bhavati, but iticha, by that sutra, ik lakshana gunavriddhi will not happen.
Yes.
Iklakshana gunavriddhi. By this, Lakshana by gunavriddhi, by iko gunavriddhi, that will not happen by the sutra hiticha. So therefore, no angakarya. Therefore, G plus Snu kakara is ita letter. Therefore, Jisnu. Igantasya angasya, written the paribhasha here. Igantasya, applying that paribhasha, iko lakshana vriddhi. Igantasya angasya antyasya alaha. The paribhasha is applied here. Enavadi dadantasya. Then ik letter also, which letter? Last letter. Here only one vowel is there, therefore that paribhasha not required, but it is good to apply so that we apply everywhere properly. Last letter. Ikahastane gunadeshaha bhavati. Okay. Tasya nishedaha. Negation of that is done by this current sutra, Niticha. So G plus the first Snu. By 7384, Gunavriddhi is supposed to happen, which is negated by 115. Gunavriddhi in the place of Ik is ordained by 113, which is negated by 115. So therefore, we have the final form. Jishnu Shatum happens. Then we have Jishnu. Okay. This is one example. Similarly, for Kit and all, we have seen Chi plus Ta. Same paribhasha have to apply. Igantasya angasya yena vididadantasya. Antya ikahastane gunaha iklakshana gunaha na bhavati chit pratyaya pare niticha sutrena. Therefore, Chi plus Ta, not cheta chita. Similarly, chit pratyaya follows chitavat. Similarly, all other words, stuta stutavat, krata kratavat, all these forms. So forms we need to know. If the dhatu is said dhatu, then itagama will come. That also is there. But these are anik dhatu. Nada dhatu ka pratyaya valadi follows. Itagama will come. Right?
Yes.
All those things we will see later. Then nit pratyaya example. Chi dhatu, fifth conjugation, followed by shnu, which is a actually okay. In fact, it is, we have to write the example when we write Chi plus tas pratyaya. I have not written elaborately here, but we can note Chi plus tas. Tas is what pratyaya? Tas is
Sarvadhattuka.
Saradhataka. Apit.
sarvadhatuka pratyaya it is. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu kartari, then what will happen?
Kartri.
Shap.
Shap.
But this is Chi is fifth conjugation. Therefore, there is no shap.
Yes.
No.
Shnuhu. Yes, gonna be correct.
No by the sutra.
This is
Swadipyashnuhu.
Swadadibhyashnuhu. Yes.
Then after
Yes.
that, what you have to do? Yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. That what is angam for what? That must be made clear. That's why always I recommend put bracket. Chi is the anga for shnu. Chi plus shnu is the anga for thus. Right? Make like this.
Yes.
This step by. Can shnu pratyaya cause anga karya? No, because this is sarvadhatukam apit. That we have not seen. That is why that I have skipped that. Sarvadhatukam apit is going to be the next, the last sutra which we are going to see later. So Angakarya cannot happen. This is apit pratyaya will be it to be nit will come later. Therefore chinu plus tas. Here also no is the anga ending with ik letter sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows. Angakarya will happen? No. Why? Because
Upbeat.
apit will be nitvata. Therefore Angakarya will not happen. Therefore chinutas. Then we have sakara padanta sakara room becomes repa. Repa is the Repa becomes Visarga, Karavasana. All those things we have to. No, I'm not applying everything, directly writing. Similarly, Chinu plus Anti, Chinvanti also. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So here, not writing all the steps. Similarly, Chinvanti. No, Chi will not become Che. Then Dhi Dhi Vevi Tam. This is 116. Niti Cha after that. So here also, Iko Guna Vriddhi, Na coming as Anuvritti. Ika Hastane Guna Vriddhi Na Bhavati. For this Dhatu. Didhi, Didhi one dhatu, baby another dhatu, then Ittagama also is there. Three things are there. Here, in fact, three things are there. Didhi is one dhatu, then baby is another dhatu, then we have it agama also. Didhi, baby, itam. So we can form a compound. Or samas, we can write samasa, samasa vigraha. Samasa is dhatu, right? So therefore, Dhi, Dhi is dhatu. Dhi, Dhi cha, Devi cha, Icha will become Dhi,
Didhi,
Dhi, Ve, Vi,
didhi,
Kakara
baby,
plus E, beat. Then
didhi, baby.
Tesham, Shashti Bhakti will be Tesham, Dhi, Dhi,
Sure.
Ve, Vi, Tam, like Marutam. This is a compound.
Yes.
Itaretra Dvanda Samasa.
Yes.
Compound is Itaretara
Tara, tara, ¿dónde
Dvanda
estamos?
compound. Itaretra Dvanda. Directly you can say Itaretra Dvanda. But also it's okay. So why we required that because doing like this because we will then only we'll know the one dhatu is there, maybe another is there. Not only that, Ittagama also is mentioned with it. Okay, I think we'll stop now. Ika guna vriddhi anuvritti, ikaha guna vriddhi na. So didi vevi tam ikaha sthane guna vriddhi na bhavati. Apavada sutram. Not when Ngit Pratyaya follows. It will not happen for these at all. Depending on doesn't depend on what pratyaya follows. What or maybe the pratyaya. Didi dhatu, vevi dhatu, and itascha. Ye guna vriddhi prapnutaha when it guna and vriddhi when it is prapnutaha when it prapnutaha by some sutra. But that will not happen for these three things. Guna and vriddhi do not happen in the place of ik. I can say ik is of ak. Actually, it's ik of Didi, baby, and no, Ach is better because, yes, Guna Vriddhi will not happen in the place of the vowels of Didi, baby, and of the Agama. It also is okay. Ik is. Guna Vriddhi is alright. Therefore, Guna will not happen. Didi, because we have a ik letter, E, penultimate is Dakara, and similarly here we have ik letter, therefore ik is writing ik. And Itagama, of course, E. So it will not happen. I've given one example here. Lut example. I think we will see this example. Lut example. It's very easy only. We have seen. You remember? Shuddhatu Hajanta Lut Rupam, Lut Lakara. What is Lut? Anadyatane
Lut.
Lut. We have seen. Chur plus Nich, what will happen? Nit Pratyaya follows. Therefore, final letter is not equal letter. Upada is Rasva Ikupada. Therefore, Chu will become
Chor.
Chori you
Chor.
get. Right?
Yes.
Therefore, Nichanda Dhatu, you get Chori. Now, Chori is Atideshika Dhatu. Chori is not in the Dhatu Pata, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what will happen? Chori plus Lut form. Chori plus Lut Lakara. When Lut Pratyaya follows, Kimbavati. Tas, Sitasi Lutoho, by that Sutta, Tas comes. So, when Tas comes, then Chori. Okay, then we can bring the corresponding, the Pratyaya, which is Pratham Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya Tip. Then Chori is the Anga for Tas, and Tas is the Anga for Chori plus Tas is the Anga for Tip. Tas is what Pratyaya? Adadatuka Pratyaya. When the Dhatu is Anekach Dhatu, Ittagama will come. Don't forget. It will not come for Tip. Okay, Tip is Sarodhatuka Pratyaya. So Chori plus Itas you have. Now, after that, what will happen? Before here, this Angakarya will happen anyway, that we will see. Angakarya is going to happen. Chori will become Chore. Because of the Pratyaya here, first we do that. Da Pratyaya, here the T letter will drop. What is the T letter here? What is T? Achontyadi T, right?
Chantaditi. Yes.
As is the T letter. So
Yes.
when Dit Pratyaya follows, Ditva Samatya Telopam Sutram is, we all see later. You will be able to understand completely this. So As will, the T letter, As will drop. Now from here we have Chori plus It plus A. This what Pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Tip Pratyaya comes. And Anga now here, this is the whole thing is the Anga, right? Anyway, the Upada letter E will be E. So will Angakarya happens to the Ittagama here due to the Pratyaya following? No, because this E is It. Atra Ittagamasya, Ikarasya, Gunavriddhihi, Na Bhavati. That is Ittagama, that E, which is a Ittagama, will not take Guna. Therefore, don't do. Then you can join Ita. Then after that, Angakarya you can do on Chori. Chori become Chore. Then Ayadi Sandhi, Choragita. So Choragita, Choragita, Choragita. Already I taught you this Lutlakara. Choragita si, Choragita sta, Choragita sta, Choragita smi, Choragita smaha, Choragita smaha. So this is the example for Didi, baby. Tam Didi and baby are dhatus for which examples it is not the place to see. We will see when the context comes, when we see those dhatus. Not here. Here, Ittagama only I given. Because about Agama already we have studied. Okay, we'll stop here. Is that clear? So,
Yes.
this document done up to last one, key teacher. You can send this
Very
document.
nice.
After that, we
Nice.
will start a new document. Otherwise, this already page is 59. Numbering will be difficult. We can do also up to 100 pages. Let's see.
Sure.
Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om. And we have a list of dhatus here. List of sutras. All are Tinganta Sutras. After covering all these sutras, then only next topic. It means up to 400 sutras are there. Now we are in which sutra? 235. Long way to
Yes.
go.
Yes.
Nice.
Lat Lakara, Lang Lakara, Lot Lakara, Ling Lakara, for all the Gana, we will see. And then we'll get the new topic, Subanta, maybe later. Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Dhanyavadaha.
Nice. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
See you.